Hi, are you having trouble with text in your Excel which is in different case? Maybe you want it in uppercase, lowercase, and you have to do it all manually. Let's have a quick look at the functions which are available in Excel which can help you ease this and get your output in a faster way. In this example, we have got some text wherein we have got some extra spaces, maybe they are not properly cased. So we'll see. First thing, before I do upper, lowercase or proper casing, is I want to remove the extra spaces. So I will quickly do that using the trim function. I'll type is equal to trim and select the text, in which case it will reduce or remove the extra spaces from the text in my cell. I'll copy this formula down. So now I have got my text without the extra spaces. Now the first thing, I want all of this in uppercase. So for doing that, I'll just type this formula is equal to upper and select the text cell. So in this case, I'm selecting B5 and press the enter key, and it will convert my data into uppercase. I'll copy this down. So all the data, all my text is now in uppercase. Similarly, if you want lowercase, you can type is equal to lower, open bracket, and select the cell where your text is. Hit the enter key, and then the entire text will be converted into lowercase. And finally, if you need the proper casing, that is the first letter is capital and the rest of the alphabets are in small. In that case, I'll just type is equal to proper, open bracket, select the cell which contains your text, enter, and that will be proper casing. Just remember that there are cases where you might have certain text where you need capital letters, so you might have to correct those things. For example, if you have certain abbreviations or acronyms which require you to enter them in capital letters, then you might have to do those corrections depending on what type of casing you're using. Other than that, this is a much faster way of correcting your text. Hope you've liked it. If so, do comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.